Today, we're in Switzerland and trying two very different vacation stays. The first is the 140-year-old Gandig hut, high in the mountains. And then we'll go back down the valley and try a classic 5-star Swiss hotel. We're trying these two places as a change-up from our normal hotels, because we realized the normal hotels didn't really add anything to our trips. They were just a place to sleep. But there's a risk. In the hut, we have a shared bedroom with strangers, and you don't get to pick your food. And for the 5-star, even though it has a pool that looks like this, it may not be worth the money. So let's pick up the story at 10,000 feet just outside the Gandig hut. Sarah and I are travel physical therapists who vacation 3 months of the year, and we've had some very bad vacations. Vacations with too many people, not enough memories, and just not worth the money. So let's see how this works out. For a better view, the bathroom urinal has you standing half inside and half outside. So let's use it, then go inside to eat, and then we'll move into our shared room. And don't forget, we'll be checking out the 5-star bathroom later. The layout of the Gandig hut is the dining room, a shared room above, a kitchen and staff area, and a shared room we'll be moving into after dinner.
Yeah. Would you like to drink? You don't have enough
Da gibt es das auch schon.
For dinner is salad, barley soup, chili con carne with rice, and I got so excited about dessert, I forgot to film it. That excitement went away, however, when we realized everyone, who would soon be sleeping in a small room together, were being served chili with beans. Even still, time for bed. The room fit us and 6 others, a young couple from Bern, 2 Ukrainian hikers, and 2 Swiss mountaineers climbing into Italy. At the end of the video, I'll share how the hut was overall. If you enjoy vacations filled with unforgettable memories and adventures personally tested by us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We also give you detailed itineraries of our entire trip and packing lists for traveling light in the mountains. Now let's head down to the Montchervin Palace, in style, by a horse-drawn carriage. Both the Gandig hut and Montchervin Palace are in the Zermatt Valley, which is right under the most photographed mountain in the world, the Matterhorn. Montchervin Palace was founded in 1852, and this is a time when mountain tourism was just beginning to be a thing. Way back, people didn't want to come to the mountains because the mountains were hard to get to, cold, and had unpredictable weather. Montchervin gave them a reason to come all this way. We're early to check in, so let's look around the hotel, including the pool, and we'll finish at our room. The name Saint Bernard isn't just for the dog. The patron saint of climbers is Saint Bernard of Montjoux, and just short of the Matterhorn summit, there's a statue of him, sitting at over 14,000 feet. Hotels like Chervin try to be the total package, even if that means providing hundreds of lockers for ski gear during ski season. The miniature shuttles to drive you to the ski lifts, and by the way, there are no cars allowed in Zermatt, yet another reason to go. And Chervin also provides a gym that isn't just an afterthought. Our room is now ready. Let's go see it. Staying at Mont Chervin in Gandighute was a good change from our normal hotels. At Gandighute, we shared rooms with strangers, a unique experience, while Mont Chervin offered 5-star luxury with a perfect pool, food, king bed, and ideal comfort. They even had 2 live singers that were really fun to watch. Though Mont Chervin's expensive, and this room ran anywhere from $800 to $1,300 a night, it was worth it just for the experience. And really, one night is all we could afford at this point. Gandighute, at just over $100 a night, had a very modest breakfast. They had yogurt and granola, but if you didn't like those 2 things, you're left a little bit light on calories. And to Sarah and I, Chervin's rooms felt a little bit dated, but it's something that they already know, and they're getting ready for a renovation coming up soon. This was our 3rd trip to Zermatt, and to help you plan if you go, we have a free 15-page itinerary. It solves logistical challenges, eliminates time wasters, and always includes unique experiences. For now, we're giving these itineraries away for free. We think they're good, but we need to make them even better, so we need your feedback. If you use one of these itineraries, definitely get a hold of us. Also, comment below what your biggest travel problems are. We'd like to solve those, and likely we have the same problems that you do as well. Our newsletter also covers health tips so you don't make the same mistakes that we see in our patients. Also, our packing gear lists are included. I actually have a YouTube channel with over 1.7 million views on outdoor gear. Okay, for more trips into nature with unique experiences, click into that video.